Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. For my dear audience, in this video I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of cool welding project for selling purpose or welding project ideas to make money with metal decor ideas. So dear audience, when we talk about a cool projected welding in welding project, then different question arise in our mind like as what is a cool about welding, or what is cool arc welding system, or what is a cool welding technology, or what is welding Wikipedia. But it is that ideas which I prescribe for my dear audience is used for different purpose, like as a learning process of our pupil, a different learning student in different universities, colleges, and different shops that welding project are basically used. But in many purpose we can use our dear audience can use in different home decorations, indoor or outdoor. It may be used in outdoor activities or indoor activities. We can use it for it can be used for decoration purpose. I briefly explain. So, dear audience, when we talk about cool welding project, then one question, interesting welding facts. Over 50% of all man-made products were created by welding. So everything from cars to the home we live has been touched by welding. So welding is a career that is always in demand. So it is used in manufacturing, construction, and nearly every industry in between. So when we talk about what are cool arc welding system, then the welding cooling process is carried out either by air or quick cooling method. So cooling through the air weakens the resistance of the steel metal. So cooling by water improves the properties of the steel metal. So a reduction factor should be used when air is used for cooling. So, what is cooled welding technology or cool welding projected technology? So, cooled welding is a solid state welding process that requires little or no heat to join two or more metals together. So, instead, the energy used to join the materials together comes in the form of pressure. So during the cold welding process, no metal is liquefied or even heated to a notable degree. So if we talk about when welding, and then welding is a fabrication process that joins material. Originally, when we talk about that a welding project, because welding is a fabrication process that joins material, usually metal, a thermoplastic, by using high heat to melt the parts together and allowing them to cool, so causing fusion. So, how do welders stay and cool when we talk about a cool? Then different question arise in our mind. So, we are cooling technology. A welder today have a lot of different cooling gadgets and uh, apparel to choose from, including belts, headbands, and helmets. Most of these devices have built-in fan system that promote airflow around the body, helping the welder avoid overheating or high heating procedures. So, but in cool projected, we can use easily, and we can make different things in a cool welding project. I mean that no overheated machineries are used. So How was cold welding discovered? If we talk about its discovery point of view, then discovery of cold pressure welding, Reverend Desguales discovered that if we took two lead balls about 25 millimeter each in diameter, pressed them together and twisted them, then the two pieces would join together. So, why is it called cold welding? It is called cold welding because it requires a little no heat, uh, a little less heated. We can say that. So, welding usually uses a high heat and pressure to transform metal. On the other hand, cold welding uses vacuum pressure rather than pressure and heat. So, what is air cooled welding? Air cooled welding torches are cooled by air. They use the ambient air and shielding gas to uh, dissipate the heat. So, thicker copper cabling is used to enable the cable to transfer the electricity to the gun without excessive heat buildup. So, these systems are simpler and more rugged, ultimately requiring less maintenance. So, what does a cold weld look like? I say in different part and different terminology that is make in different conditions or different overview scanners we can use it. So, some advantages of cool welding is cool welding can create more robust, more durable bonds between metals. So this process uses pressure and friction to weld two pieces of metal together without heat, making it an ideal option for bonding dissimilar metals or joining metals that are sensitive to heat. So what is the best cold welding? Nothing performs better. J-Bay weld, known as the original cold weld, was developed as an alternative to traditional torch welding. So it's designed to be extremely effective in even the harshest environment. So, where does cool welding occur? A vacuum chamber. However, for this process to be successful, the surfaces must be free of the natural oxide layer present on virtually all metal surfaces in the atmosphere. So, it is possible to get a good cold welding bond here on the ground, but it is tedious work best carried out in a vacuum chamber. So, space is a natural vacuum chamber. So, dear guys, what is the time of cool welding? The cool welding machines. It is a principle is to use a charging capacitor and discharge in an ultra short time of 10 to 6 to 10 to 5 second in a cycle of 10 to 3 to 10 to 1 second. So the contact part of the electrode material and the workpiece will be instantly heated to 8,000 degrees centigrade. So, dear audience, I think that why is good gold good for and cool cool welding. So, gold is known for its ability to cold weld because of its unique property. It's also question. Gold is a soft and a malleable metal, which means its atoms can easily bond together under pressure without the need of a higher temperature. So, dear audience, I think that my video for my dear audience inspiring. If inspiring, then dear audience, subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video. So, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much once again.